Hey guys, so happy holidays. Metal Pete is here to celebrate part of his Thanksgiving with fans, as is,
Yes.
we all have lots of fans to be thankful for.
Oh yeah.
And we're going to probably get to, I'm guessing we'll probably get to about 3 today, maybe 4 if we're lucky. And this is what we wanted to do first. This is an A&G manufacturing spinner, made by CEC.
Yeah.
And I have my suspicions that A&G Manufacturing... Well, we know that they made those Westinghouse copies. Not the Ruby Fan Company ones, but like the K63 ones. And they also made some with like a gear-driven motor in them. And so then I have my suspicions that they also made the weird spinners that Adam has that are kind of similar to this, and the iFan. But that's not been confirmed. So, I have 2 of these, and we'll hopefully get to the other one next.
Okay.
I bought them from a showroom that was closing down south. The showroom owner's daughter found one of my ads online and emailed me. And I actually bought these several months ago. It was before my car accident, and might have even been summer or late or fall. But they didn't actually get shipped to me until a few weeks ago, and then they've just been in the garage waiting on Metal Pete, because I don't test cool metal things without him if I can help it. So we're going to do both of those today, and then I've got another top mount we could do, or we could do the little Key Largo, or him and I will figure out what all we're going to do.
Okay.
But he's getting impatient. So it's a single-speed fan with a reverse pull chain. So let's see it go.
Okay.
Is the lamp on or off?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Well, no, the lamp. Is the lamp on?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do it over then. Let's see.
Yeah. All right. We'll do it in rush of 0 to high. All right. All right. Since it's now on amps, that's much better.
Okay.
0.9899, 1 amp. Still climbing.
Yeah, these draw a lot of current.
Okay.
What's the wattage and power factor and all of that?
Watts is almost 130 watts with a power factor of 1. Power factor of 1. And
Air movement on this is pretty crazy.
oh yeah,
I'm
I
sure
can
this
feel
would be
it.
in the K55 category.
Oh yeah, it's a cast iron. It's
Oh yeah. Interesting that those blades, are they warped? No, they're not.
no.
And Metal Pete measured and said it was a
44.
44-inch fan, which is kind of odd.
Yeah, just doesn't quite measure 48. I don't know if it's 42. Maybe it's just the way I measured it. Who knows? But,
No, 44 is a size that happens.
okay. All right. Well then, since I really can't airflow in this space right now,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do spin down, but. What I'll do is test the current draw in reverse.
Good idea.
Now reverse is pull chain. The pull chain just
Yep.
bearings sound good. You know, there's no big
Yeah.
issues here. It's taking a while to spin down.
Absolutely. So I never saw anything like this when I was younger, did you?
No.
First time I saw... Go ahead, I'm sorry.
No, I
First
just
off.
never did.
First time I saw anything even remotely close to this is when Adam found the little small one, kind of like the one I had temporarily in Abby's room.
Okay. Okay, so that was off. And now is reverse.
Yep. So that's higher current draw in,
Yeah, what it was like 1.08 before.
yeah, it was closer to 1.
Yeah.
So it's a little more in reverse, which CECs tend to do. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Do you have the paper towels?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll get them for you.
So I want to clean the motor housing with WD-40. So I'm just going to spray a paper towel, and then when you turn it off, just kind of rub the motor with the WD-40 paper towel.
Sure, good idea. All right.
We totally awesome. The rest of it was pretty yellowed.
Yeah.
But we didn't do the motor.
Okay.
I wish I had a place to install these.
Oh, yeah.
I can't think of a place. Because there's no real place for white fans here. Other than Nia's room, and these are too traditional for her.
Okay.
Test rig time.
All right. All right. Well, I'm going to do decade box and see what kind of wall control we get with this. I'm just going to start. 1, 2. Okay, it's starting on 2.
That's pretty low.
I usually hope to get a good low on 5, is just because that's a standard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, on all remotes and wall controls, 3 and 4 speed. So this is 2. And what's it drawing? 3, 4, 5. I mean, usually on 5 I'll let it see what kind of speed it picks up. Looks like it's speeding up on 5.
Yeah, that's a good low.
Mm-hmm. And 0.24 is a typical current draw.
Yeah, when I used to have in my old place, when I used to have a white fan in the kitchen, this would be a good kitchen fan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, where could I mean, the only place I could do white fans here, other than the laundry room, which is just too big for, would be the garage, but I wouldn't really want to do wood blades in the garage.
Yeah, I understand. Well, that one's plastic. You got plastic blades.
Plastic blades, plastic or metal, something that the climate can't affect.
Yeah. So, yeah, right now I'm seeing a really nice low on this.
Yeah.
6, 7, and here is 8. Okay, so this would definitely be, to me, too fast for a low speed. But
Yeah.
makes a good medium low. 8 oftentimes does that if it's a standard, capacitor based value control. Oftentimes. So this would be a good medium low.
Somebody was saying, I think maybe Tommy, that they found a
Yeah.
81220 rotary control, which would be nice.
I think that, yeah, I remember him saying that. 9. Here's 10. I don't think we're going to go over that quick. Here is 12.
Oh, we got a ways to go before we're over.
Yeah. 4, 7, and here comes 13. I might do... Let's see what 14 does, because I know sometimes a 6, 8, 14 is a little more speed range. 6 is still low enough, which 6 was. Here's 14. Here comes 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And here is 20. I mean, you'll get a medium speed out of 13 and 14, but it's going to be a big jump to high if you use the standard. That's the one thing about a wall control like this.
Yeah. And this is what, 20?
Yeah, this is 20, so this is faster than medium, so this is like closer to high. Kind of close, but not. 22. I'm just going to go up to 25. $28, $30. Okay, so here's 32.
See, with the fan in the kitchen, like when I was picking out capacitor values for the control,
Yeah.
I've discovered that at least in like in my house, I don't use a backed off high as much as I would think that I would. I use the slow low for circulation.
Yeah.
I use the medium low because I've talked about how my ideal control is always a 5-speed control because you can have an aesthetic low, a genuine low, a solid medium, a backed off high, and a high.
Yeah.
5 is the perfect number of speeds to me.
Yeah.
But like I found that I almost never use the backed off high. Like the only place I ever use it really is the bedroom, and even then sometimes the only reason I wouldn't use the full on high is that the full on high is too noisy, especially with like wind noise and stuff.
Yeah, of course. And I have maxed it out at 40 microfarads, and I'm still under an amp.
Seeing if that makes it better or worse in the video. I don't think that really. Yeah, it's better without.
Okay,
yeah.
So it's...
No resonant frequencies.
Nope. I didn't think there was at that kind of... Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do solid state variable. Okay.
So far, pretty quiet. Oh, nope.
It's living room quiet.
Yep.
I mean, I've heard worse than this.
We both have, definitely.
This is the most that I would say it's going to be the noisiest it's going to be on a solid state, because once you get faster than this, the wind noise takes over.
Probably. We'll find out in a second.
Usually. Yeah, it's starting to take over.
Yeah.
So, and if my, even my bedroom, I have a furnace right next to my bedroom, that utility room, so that goes on at night, so honestly, I hear that and the water softener more than this. If I put a solid state fan in my bedroom, I'm going to hear other things over that anyway.
Well, we use the window air conditioner in the summer, and so we wouldn't hear anything in the bedroom. But the in the winter time, if we're not using, I stopped using the air purifier this winter just to see if it made a difference, and now I hear everything.
Yep.
Thing is freaking insane.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. 1.08 amps, so it's pretty close. Alright, we did everything like an industrial. So that's actually everything in this fan.
Yeah?
Yep.
So we got the next one to do.
Yep. Alright.
And the next one has a thicker motor, so that's interesting. We'll see if they're the same size. It looks smaller.
Okay.
But it has a thicker motor, so I found that real interesting.
All right.
Okay, well, let's keep watching.